Since we're planning instruction for this group together, the framework I would recommend using is UDL. I think UDL fits this group especially well because the students have a wide range of learning needs. For example, Ryan is still developing early math and reading skills, Siobhan is working below grade level academically, Sochi has dyslexia, and Russell benefits from strong behavioral supports. UDL helps us design instruction from the start so students can access learning in different ways instead of trying to modify everything afterward. One activity I would suggest is a science classification task where students sort pictures of living and non-living things. Students can work in small groups and explain their reasoning using visuals, discussion, or digital tools. This supports higher order thinking because they're not just identifying items, they are explaining why they belong in each category. And two strategies I would use during this activity are scaffolded supports and flexible grouping. So for example, we could provide visuals, sentence starters, or guided examples to help students access the task. Flexible grouping would allow students to support each other through peer modeling and collaboration. I would also include clear expectations and visual routines to help support Russell if the task becomes overwhelming. If we needed to teach this lesson in an online, hybrid, or multi-age classroom, I would adjust by using digital manipulatives, recorded directions, and breakout rooms for small group support. I would also chunk instructions and check in frequently to keep students engaged and regulated. Two technologies I would include are Google Slides interactive sorting activities and Nearpod. Google Slides let students move images instead of relying on reading and writing, which helps students like Ryan and Siobhan participate more independently. Nearpod allows us to embed questions, drawing responses, and quick checks for understanding so we can monitor progress in real time. Using UDL helps us make sure every student can participate meaningfully while still working toward grade level thinking skills.